Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, I was teaching Veditya Veditavya. Question answers already solved. Now I am going to solve the grammar part of the lesson. So please open the page number 154. First one, Sandhim Vibhajata. Tatra para, tatra plus apara. It has come in the year 2019. Second one, Yathornanabhi. Yatha Purnanabhi. Third one, Chaiva, Cha plus Eva Vritti Sandhi. It has come in the year 2018. Now second one, Sandhim Yojayat. Ha plus Uvacha, Ovacha. Second one, Vidhivat plus Upasannaha, Vidhivad Upasannaha. Third changing to the. Now third one, Bhavati plus Iti, Bhavatiti. It has come in the year 2018. Now third one, Vigrahavakyam Likhata. Avarnam na vidyate varnam yasya tat. Na vidyate varnam yasya tat. Second one, Vidhivat. It has come in the year 2019. Vidhi prakarena. Third one, Jeshta Putra. It has come in the year 2018. Jeshtaha cha asau putraha cha. Now fourth one, Samasta padam likhatha. Na vidyate pani cha padau cha yasya tat. Shortcut, apani padam. That which has no hands and legs. Na vidyate gotram yasya tat. Agotram. Bhutanam yonihi. Samastapada is Bhuta yonihi. It has come in the year 2018. Now fifth one, Riktasthane Suktam Vibhakti Rupam Likhat. Brahma, in the fill in the blanks, Brahmadau Brahmana. Second one, dash Shaunakau Shaunakaha. Dash idali Shaunakaha. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha. Now third one, Angirase Angirbhya Angirbhyaha. Sixth one, Riktasthane Suktam Kriyapada Rupam Likhatha. Sambhavati dash Sambhavanti. Sambhavati Sambhavataha. Titaha Anti. It is very easy. It is the first Latlakara table. It has come in the year 2018 and 2020. Dash Vadavaha Vadamaha. Vadami Vadavaha Vadamaha. Next to Srijate Srijayate dash. Srijate Srijayate Srijante. Te ite ante. In 10th standard, you must have learned Atmanepadi Latlakar. Te ite ante, se ite dve, I avahe amahe. Like that. 7. Pada Parichayam Kuruta. First one is Atha. It is Avyaya. It will not change. Yavade linga illa, vibhakti illa, purusha illa, atha vachananu illa. It remains fixed. It has come in the year 2019. Adhigamya. Adhigamya. It is Lebantavayam, Lep Pratyayam. Starting prefix, end ya suffix. Iti, it is avyayam. It will not change like atha. Now, eighth one, samanarthak padam likhata. Putraha, tanayaha, tanujaha, and Brahma, Prajapatihi, Vagishaha, Urnanabhihi. Urnanabhihi, that is spider. Luta, Kitaha. Ninth, Viruddharthaka pada. Aksharam. In that only, opposite word is there. Ksharam. Jeshta, elder. Kanishta, younger. Nityam, anityam. Okay. Now, Devi is completely over. You have to write all the questions and answers in the first part of the homework assignment very neatly. Now I am going to teach the third lesson, Vivadaha Vinashaya. Vivada means dispute, Vinasha means destruction. Dispute leads to destruction. The quarrel between the two will be benefited to third person. It is written by Panchatantram. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲೂ 8th ಆಗಲಿ 9th ಆಗಲಿ 10th ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಿತೋಪದೇಶ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It is written by Vishnu Sharma. This present lesson is selected from the Kagolukiyam Tantra, Panchatantra. As the name says, there are 5 techniques, 5 tantrani. What are those? Mitra Bheda, friends will depart in those stories. Mitra Samprapti, gaining the friends. Kakolukiyam, Kakam is crow, crow and owl stories. Labdha Pranasha, Labdha gaining, Pranasha losing. Then last one, Aparikshita Karakam. Aparikshita Karaka. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Only after testing it properly, one must do the deed. ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಕಂಡ್ರು ಪ್ರಮಾಣಿಸಿ ನೋಡು, ಕಂಡದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. So you have to test and do. What are the characters in this story? Vayasah is Kakaha, crow. Kapinjalaha, Chataka, sparrow. Shigragaha, rabbit, Shashaka. And Tikshna Daunshtra. Tikshna means sharp, Daunshtra means teeth. Sharp teeth. Marjaraha, cat. These are all the characters in this story. See, Panchatantra, this is the moral story told by Vishnu Sharma to the foolish children of Amarashakti Raja. Amarashakti Rajanige 4 ಜನ ಮೂರ್ಖ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವರನ್ನ ರಾಜ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶರ್ಮಾ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ he changed the mindset of the princess. ಇದರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ all animals and birds. Why he used this technique? Because these are very appealing to the minds of children. The children find very interesting. So he has used, Vishnu Sharma ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶು ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, now summary of the lesson. What is the summary of the lesson? On one tree, there was one crow. Vayasa ittu. Below the tree, in a hollow, ಒಂದು ಕೊಠರೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಶಶಕ, ನಾಟ್ ಶಶಕ, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ, ಚಟಕ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕಪಿಂಜಲ. ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಯಸ, ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಕೊಠರೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಪಿಂಜಲ. ಚಟಕಸ್ಯ ನಾಮ ಕಿಂ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಪಿಂಜಲ. They both were very good friends. In the daytime, they used to go for outside to find out food. Then evening they used to come and they used to meet each other, discussing the curious incidents seen while they were roaming outside. And they used to discuss the stories of Devarshi, Rajarshi, Brahmarshi and all. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. These characters means you think they are all human beings. Even though the story consists of characters, animals and birds, the moral of the stories is very, very great. High value for the life of all, not only small children, but for even elders also. One day, ಕಪಿಂಜಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಭತ್ತದ ಗದ್ದೆ, ಟು get the food, because sufficient food was not available, so it went beside field. Did not return only. The Vayasa was upset. Why it had not come? What happened to Kapinjala? Was it killed or was it caught in the net? ಬಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಬಿತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ? If everything was okay, definitely it used to return. ಅದು ತಿರುಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, oh, something bad must have happened. So Vayasa was very much upset because of the friend. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, it did not come only. In the meanwhile, that hollow was vacant and Shigraga Shashak, it came. ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, straightway entered in that hollow. This Vayasa also did not object. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ it was not sure whether its friend Kapinjala would come or not. It was not sure whether Kapinjala is alive. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬದುಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So it kept quiet. Shashaka was staying aramse in the hollow under the tree. After some days, Kapinjala became plumpy, and it returned to its hollow. ಕೊಠರೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಶಶಾಕ ಇದೆ, already occupied. Then Shashaka tells, not Shashaka, Kapinjala tells, it is my house, come out. You have not done a good thing. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯ ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಆಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. So you come out. It is mine ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Shashaka was not knowing only that house belongs to Kapinjala. It told, it is not mine, it is not yours, it is mine. Nobody was there when I came here. It was mine. Why do you scold me unnecessarily? Why are you using false, harsh words? It is mine only. Shashaka told. So this dispute started between the two. One question is there, Dvitrayavaki. What is the reason for the dispute of Kapinjala and Shashaka? This you have to explain. As per the law, it is mine. Shashaka told. Oh, you are quoting law? Come. Let us contact some law expert who could give correct judgment. Come, let us go. Okay, both started in search of judge who can give proper judgment. This Vyasa did not interfere. It was curious to know what would be the judgment. ತೀರ್ಪು ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ it was very curious to know. So it followed them both, Chataka and Shashaka. This matter was known to Tikshna Daushta, Marjara. Marjara, you know, Tikshna Daushta, sharp teeth. This Marjara wanted to take the benefit of the quarrel of these two. So they both were going in search of judge, Nyayavad. So what it did, on the bank of the river, it made a hut of grass and like this, with 2 hands, 2 legs, then standing on 2 legs, closing one eye, he started Dharma Pravachana, Dharma Upadesha. When Dashavakya comes, Marjarasya Dharmopadesha Varnayata. What is the Dharma Pravachana? It said, this samsara is meaningless. No meaning in the life at all. Our lifespan is very, very temporary. Kshanika. Our near ones, dear ones, they are all like dream. Kanasu adella. Night we'll see so many dreams. When we get up in the morning, everything will disappear. Hagene. Our family, father, mother, husband, wife, children, brothers, sisters, everybody, it is like a Indrajala, magic. Magician in Martane, Yenella Torstan. But next moment, everything will disappear. Hage. Then what is the solution? The solution for this is follow Dharma. Dharmavana follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಗತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಶರೀರ ಅನಿತ್ಯ, not permanent, very, very temporary. All richness, wealth, everything temporary. It is also not permanent. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಹ, ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್, ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ ಏನೇ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So death is coming very, very nearer. It is coming very, very near. So what we should do? We should do Dharma Sangraha. We should follow in the righteous path. It continues. So Dharma in brief, it tells to people. Why all in detail? Dharma in brief is ಪರೋಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಪರಪೀಡನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ. By helping others, we will get punya. By torturing others, we will get sin. So what it meant? ಮಾರ್ಜಾರದ ಅರ್ಥ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪರಪೀಡನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. It is following non-violence. ಅಂತ ಅದರದ ಮಾತು. ಹೊರಗೆ ಬೇರೆ, ಅದರ ಮಾತಿಗೂ ಕೃತಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ಡ್, that is correct. But what it meant inside, that is cheating. Marjara is a cheat. These both, they were coming, they heard about Dharma Pravachana of Tikshna Dhamashtra, so they decided to ask for the judgment of this Tikshna Dhamashtra and Tikshna Dhamashtra, that is Marjana. So they came near. But Kapinjala told, he is our natural enemy. Marjara is natural enemy of these two. So what we can do? We can stand at the distance. We will ask for the judgment. Okay, students. In the next class, I am going to continue. Thank you, students.